Hey guys, Vindy here. Let's quickly look at the Nasdaq 100 forecast. The Nasdaq 100 forecast. This is not a signal or an investment advice. Okay, let's get to 15,000 subscribers. We're just 200 subscribers away from that. Yes, let's see if we can get there to 15,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, just click the subscribe button right here. Let's get right into it. Of course, starting from the daily chart. I'm not gonna do the weekly, just check the previous forecast that I did. The daily chart right there are mostly focusing on these recent highs. Okay, you can see this high, finally it got broken. You can see this particular level finally got broken by this candle. Let me mark it. Let me see if I can mark it. This particular one right here is the one that violated that, but of course price the next day came all the way down inside, or rather below that particular level that I've highlighted. So we have that double top this going on right there. However, we can see this developing into a range of some sort, or a sideways move of some sort. Okay, and down here we have this support structure. You can call it a triple bottom of, yes, of some sort, around about that. Okay, that is what is sort of developing that range. Double top up there, which is where we are right now. So we're currently sitting at resistance. If we come down here to this particular time frame, this is of course the H4 chart. You can clearly see that nice double top there, but I'm not gonna focus on it. I'm gonna focus nicely on this particular trend that I think might actually develop nicely, or maybe it's an H4 trend line kind of shandis, okay, which is a support trend line in this case because we're above it. Okay, so that might be something. However, the range that I spoke about, it's this particular range. Now it is much better. You can see those triple bottoms and that shandis nicely. You could see price going up a bit and then of course coming down a little bit. That is what we could see on the next trading session, all the way down to that trend line that I've highlighted. Why? Because we are on the resistance. So there's a bunch of sellers up there, move up followed by a move down. That is what maybe we could see. This is a forecast once more, not a signal. So if let me know where you are watching from. Of course, let me know where you are watching from down in the comment section below. Let me know where you're watching from. I'd like to know where you're watching this video from. If we continue looking at the H1 chart, if you understood what I did on the H4, obviously the H1 is still more or less doing the same shanties. Maybe let me just add another structure right here, which is this trend line. Okay, support trend line once more, and I can also add this one, which is the same one that we were talking about previously, and they are sort of meeting around that area. We could see price going up. That's the first scenario, going up a little bit back to test that resistance or to get more sellers before it comes all the way down to this particular region, somewhere around that point. Okay, yes, because we are having this particular trend line right there. Maybe we can see the double bottom, slanted kind of double bottom taking place around that. Scenario number 2, if I erase this, could be price just heading straight down. Okay, heading straight down and like this. Okay, so if you're a buyer, you might want to look for buys around that point. So scenario number 1 was to sell up there, so before it goes all the way down. So these are the 2 possible scenarios that I can think of right now, of course. Okay, so do check this other video that I made a couple of months ago. Nice cool video on how to trade that, and also subscribe. Click here to subscribe. That will be super cool. I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, sharp